Okay, so Naptown Tuner here. I was contemplating, proposing, perplexed, whatever you would like to say. Needless to say, I pulled the camera out because I want to show you something. This was the hose. The hose that went from the intercooler to the intake manifold, okay? See how it goes in right here? And then it goes into the intake manifold pipe on my Bobcat. All right, let's look at where it was sitting. It was sitting right here, and it's flush right here. Let's see, can we get a clean shot of this? I didn't like that that hose. See how it looks kind of flat on the bottom there? I did not like, Naptown Tuner did not like that hose. I don't like the fitment on that. All right. First off, it's very small and it goes very large. And then when I took it off to investigate, what did we find? See how that clamp was fitting? That clamp was barely on there, all right? Barely on there. All right, not only that, let's inspect this hose. Anything wrong with this hose? Whoa, look at that. There was rubbing, a little rub action. All right, maybe even all the way through, I don't know. Anything else? Whoa, look at that, some more rub action. All right, that one doesn't look like it's all the way through. Anyway, we're gonna do a modification. All right, the part that we need is this lower part and it looks legit. For some reason, I had this from a junkyard. I had these pipes because I took one of the turbos and some intercooler pipes off a Volvo S something or other, like a front wheel drive 5-cylinder turbo. Maybe it was a twin turbo, I think it was twin turbo. Anyway, I was tempted to use both these, but I only need the small one. All right, now if you'll look, it's almost the perfect radius, perfect diameter, perfect benditures. All right, we're looking like we're in pretty good shape. Okay, look at this right here. You see that? I could probably just do that as is and see how to roll with that, because you know, once you cut, you can't go back. So you want to save as much material as possible. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by chopping it off right here, okay? And then I'm going to use this cone portion right here of this intake pipe, and we're going to see how this new intake hose pipe setup works, okay? And that would even allow me to wrap some heat tape around it, or maybe put some something on there, okay? But I might actually even do a muffler modification. I don't know if I'm gonna do that right now or not. We're gonna see. So we lopped this thing off with the old cutoff wheel there, all right? So now we got some crusties, all right? So then what we do is we take the little file here, the half moon file, and you know, run it up in there. I knocked off the harsh edges on the outside, and then you roll it on the old wire wheel just to get it nice and clean. The desired effect, I believe, will work, but it is not ideal. It is not perfect, but it is almost a straight shot. Right about there is the angle it's going to have to be at. So we're going to see about fitment. First, I'm going to find a hose from the top there. Here's what I came up with, friends. I chopped some hose off. I chopped this off a little bit. All right, what I found for the other side, a silicone hose. All right, that gives me enough room on this side to put a good clamp on to get it really super tight. And there's an O-ring on that too, like you saw. And then I can get a good clamp on that right there. All right, and that gives me about the perfect trajectory, because there's a slight little kink in that hose and that molded rubber performance hose. All right, and then I got the original hose right here, lopped off just a little bit, and then I'm gonna try to slide that down about right here and about that angle, and then we're gonna see how it fits. So here is the final product, okay? I could put some heat wrap on it in the future. I think I got some. I don't know if I'll put it on there or not. I'll probably wait till I do the exhaust, because I'm gonna put these cans on it. Okay, yeah. All right, we're also gonna do something with this air filter situation, I promise. Until next time, Naptown Tuner.